Okay, so let's get back to our original question again, which was let f of x equal x times by ln of x, and then we need to find the first derivative with respect to e. So since we can see, and we've discussed this, there is a multiplication there. It's x times by ln of x. We know that we will then use the product rule, and we'll find the first derivative of that first term, which is just 1 times by ln of x, and then we'll find there the first portion is multiplied by the derivative of the second portion, and you should know that the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. And then just simplifying that, you'll see that the x's there cancel out, and it becomes just simply ln of x plus 1. That is the first derivative of the function f. Now we need to find the first derivative of f with respect to e, so it just becomes normal function notation. You replace that x with e, and you've got ln of e plus 1. Now, looking at the ln of e, we know that we can write the ln as log base e. So it's log base e, e. And what is this equal to? Well, let's make it equal to x and find out by changing back to the exponential form. So e to the power of x is equal to e to the power of 1. So therefore, that part is just 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us our final answer, which is 2. And there is the final answer from the original question. Let f of x equals x times ln x, then f of the f stripe of e is equal to 2.